10 disaster skincare mistakes you are making today. Did you know that some of the most common skincare habits, even some of the products you're using, could actually be accelerating the aging of your skin? My name is Dr. Julian De Silva, and today I want to talk you through the 10 biggest skincare mistakes I see in my practice. And these are mistakes that you'll want to avoid if you're serious about keeping your skin healthy, vibrant, and youthful. Let's dive in, and I'll share with you what to use instead each step. Moisturizers. Well, let's start with a big one. Expensive moisturizers. Many high-end creams look beautiful on your bathroom shelf, but most are just basic moisturizers in fancy packaging with little to no active ingredients. Now, they might feel luxurious, but unless you see ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or peptides high up on the list, you're unlikely to get lasting results. Instead, offer a clinically proven moisturizer such as CeraVe moisturizer, La Roche-Posay, Toleriane, Neutrogena Hydro Boost. These deliver hydration without unnecessary markup. Save your money for products that truly benefit your skin. Number 2, fearing retinol because of sun exposure. Now, there's this persistent myth that you can't use retinol if you spend time outdoors. And the truth is, with modern time-released formulations and consistent sun protection, retinol can safely be part of your routine all year round. Now, look for encapsulated or microdosed retinol serums like Microdose 8 or SkinCeuticals Retinol 0.3. These are designed to minimize skin irritation and can be used in the morning if you're diligent with SP30 or higher. Retinol helps skin collagen, stimulates collagen production, reduces fine lines, improves skin texture, and these are benefits you don't want to miss out on. Now, don't let the fear of sun keep you from missing one of the most effective, clinically proven anti-aging ingredients, retinol. Number 3, relying on makeup for sun protection. Now, many people think that makeup with SPF is enough to protect their skin from sun damage. Now, unfortunately, it isn't. Sun exposure is the #1 cause of premature aging. Now, think of wrinkles, pigmentation or darkening of the skin, loss of skin elasticity. Well, always apply dedicated sunscreen as your first layer every morning, regardless of the weather or your plans. Now, my favorites include SkinCeuticals, but the other ones, Hello Care, La Roche, Ultrasun. Makeup with SPF can be a helpful bonus, but it's never a substitute for real sun protection. And remember to apply every 2 or 3 hours if you're outside, and particularly if there's a lot of sun. Number 4, using treatments as a substitute for consistent care. Now, some people believe that getting a professional CO2 laser or LED light treatment once or twice a year is enough to keep your skin in top shape. Now, while these procedures can definitely be valuable, they can rejuvenate, they're not a replacement for daily skincare. And true skincare comes from regular use of proven activities such as retinol, vitamin C, nicotinamide, peptides, hyaluronic acid. And certainly in my patients, some of the most successful patients who look years younger than they are have used products such as this, including retinol, for many months, but are religious about using them every single day. Now, number 5 is skincare, hopping and inconsistency. Now, jumping from product to product or abandoning your routine too soon can undermine your progress. Now, it's tempting to chase latest trend, but actually real improvements take time. Stick to a regimen that covers the essentials and give it a chance to work. Now, for most people, a simple routine of cleanser, antioxidant serum, moisturizer, and sun cream is a great foundation. And skin improvements are gradual, they're not instant. Patience and consistency are your best friends. Number 6, over-exfoliating and using harsh cleansers. Now, your skin barrier is precious, it's delicate, and overusing scrubs, acids, harsh cleansers can damage the skin, leading to redness, irritation, or even premature aging. Gentle enzyme-based exfoliation a few times a week is all you need to do to keep your skin smooth and glowing. Now, I recommend certain products with papain or bromelain enzymes, Elemis papaya enzyme peel, or Dermalogica microfoliant. These are cleansers that are non-foaming and gel-based. Hydrating cleansers or gentle gel cleansers are excellent options that clean deeply without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Number 7, skipping sun cream on cloudy or days where there's no sun. Well, let's talk about sun protection, especially in the winter periods or on cloudy days. When you're indoors by a window, many people think they can skip sun cream if it's raining, if the weather is not good, but UV ray is present all the time. UVA, UVB is always there. The UVB could also cause skin cancers. UVA tends to cause skin aging, and using a UV index may be lower at certain times, but if you're far away from a window, UVA rays can penetrate clouds and glass, and in fact some of the worst sunburns can occur on cloudy days or particularly at high altitude in snowy days on mountains. Now UVA reflecting off the snow is very powerful, and as a general rule make sunscreen a habit, particularly on winter days as well as summer days. If you're spending the whole day outside, make sure you use sunblock. Don't fall for the myth that just because you can skip because it's cloudy. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours and keep your skin protected. This is one of the most important things you can do for your long-term skin health, both to reduce facial aging and sun damage, but also to reduce the chance of getting skin cancers that has exponentially increased over the last few years as people are living longer and longer, and some of that sun damage is accumulated over that period of time. Number 8, using foaming cleansers. That squeaky clean feeling from foam cleansers is actually a sign your skin's natural oils are being stripped away. Foaming cleansers can create micro abrasions and inflammation, make it harder for your skin to absorb the beneficial ingredients of a routine. Now opt for a gentle, non-foaming gel cleanser to protect your skin barrier and reduce inflammation. Your skin will definitely thank you, and look for products that have Cetaphil, gentle skin cleansers, or the ordinary, as these will be less harsh on your skin and cause less inflammation. Number 9 is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerhouse of antioxidants that brightens, protects, and it supports collagen. If it's not in your current routine, you're missing out on one of the best defenses against facial aging. Apply it in the morning under sunscreen to maximize protective effects against environmental stresses. For sensitive skin, Vichy has active vitamin C that can be more tolerant to sensitive skin. Number 10. Avoiding moisturizer if you have oily skin. Oily skin still needs hydration. In fact, proper moisturizing can help balance oil production and prevent clogged pores. Now, when your skin is well hydrated, it's less likely to overproduce oil. Don't skip this essential step. Even if you have oily or acne-prone skin, choose a lightweight, non-moisturizer like Neutrogenica, that Hydro Boost water gel. These will have a powerful effect on helping your skin quality. So there you have it, 10 skincare mistakes that could be holding you back from having more healthy, more radiant skin, and these are products that will genuinely help you get there. Avoid these pitfalls, commit to a consistent, evidence-based routine. You'll see real improvements over time if you follow this routine rigorously. I do hope this information has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching. If you have any thoughts or questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.